my classroom resolution. I will make my classroom a safe place to learn.
I will respect my classmates and my teachers.
I will work hard. I will have good marks.
My classroom resolution is to be kind to others.
I will work hard every day in my classroom.
I will work as a team.
Work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen.
Work